your seats. Please go back to your seats. Please. The House will meet at 12 noon today. Report of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Rural Development and Panchayat Raj, Shri Sant Balbir Singh Ji.
ਧੰਨਵਾਦ ਚੇਅਰਮੈਨ ਸਾਹਿਬ। ਮੈਂ ਪਿੰਡੂ ਵਿਕਾਸ ਅਤੇ ਪੰਚਾਇਤੀ ਰਾਜ ਬਾਰੇ ਸਥਾਈ ਕਮੇਟੀ ਦੀ 11ਵੀਂ ਅਤੇ 12ਵੀਂ ਰਿਪੋਰਟ ਹਿੰਦੀ ਤੇ ਅੰਗਰੇਜ਼ੀ ਭਾਸ਼ਾ ਵਿੱਚ ਪੇਸ਼ ਕਰ ਰਿਹਾ ਹਾਂ। ਜਿਵੇਂ ਕਿ ਅੱਜ ਦੇ ਕਾਰੋਬਾਰੀ ਸੂਚੀ ਵਿੱਚ ਮੇਰੇ ਨਾਮ ਦੇ ਸਾਹਮਣੇ ਇਸ ਨੂੰ ਸੂਚੀਬੱਧ ਕੀਤਾ ਗਿਆ ਹੈ। ਧੰਨਵਾਦ।
Motion for election to the Rehabilitation Council of India, Dr. Virendra Kumar to move a motion for election of one member to the Rehabilitation Council of India.
माननीय उपसभापति जी, मैं प्रस्ताव करता हूं कि भारतीय पुनर्वास परिषद बिनामली 1997 के विनियम 6 के खंड 2 के साथ पठित भारतीय पुनर्वास परिषद अधिनियम 1992 का संख्या 34 की धारा 3 की उपधारा 3 के खंड जा और धारा 4 की उपधारा 1 के अनुसरण में यह सभा उस रीति से जैसा सभापति निर्देश दें सभा के सदस्यों में से एक सदस्य को भारतीय पुनर्वास परिषद का सदस्य होने के लिए निर्वाचित करने की कार्रवाई करें।
Motion moved. Those in favor will please say aye. Aye. Those against will please say no. I think the ayes have it. The ayes have it. The ayes have it. The motion is adopted. Announcement. Honorable members, in addition to the existing members of the panel of vice chairpersons, I have nominated Sri Bhuneshwar Kalita to the panel of vice chairpersons. Honorable members, 25 notices have been received under Rule 267. The notices of Sri Akhilesh Prasad Singh, Sri Muhammad Nadimul Haq, Srimati Rajni Ashok Rao Patil, Srimati Ranjit Ranjan, Sri Prakash Chik Varai, Sri Neeraj Dangi, Sri G.C. Chandrasekhar, Sri Saket Gokhale, Srimati Mahua Majhi, Sri Ashok Singh, Dr. Syed Nasir Hussain, Sri Trichu Siva, Sri Ramji Lal Suman, Dr. John Britas, Sri Sushmita Dev, Sri Sandosh Kumar P, Srimati Renuka Chaudhary, Sri Manoj Kumar Jha, Srimati J.B. Mathir Hisam, Sri Harish Biran, Sri Abdul Bahab have demanded discussion over the concerns arising out of the Special Intensive Revision (SIR) of electoral rolls undertaken by the Election Commission of Bihar. The notices of Sri Sandeep Kumar Pathak and Sri Sanjay Singh have demanded discussion over the concerns arising out of the large-scale displacement due to the forcible demolition of slums in Delhi. The notice of Sri Rita Brat Banerjee demands discussion over discrimination against Bengali migrant workers in other states. The notice of Dr. V. Sivadasan demands discussion over the growing number of air safety incidents in India. Honorable members may recall the detailed rulings on the Rule 267 imparted by the Chair on 8th December 2022 and 19th December 2022. The same have been reiterated a number of times. Since these notices do not conform to the directives imparted by the Chair, the same are declined. Please. माननीय सदस्यगण, please, it's 0 hour question hour, members hour. 0 hour question hour, members hour. A small request, can you allow to, please, मेरा लोग, माननीय प्रमोद जी, 1 मिनट आप बात मेरी सुन ले, मैं प्लीज 1 मिनट। माननीय सदस्यगण, 0 आवर है, हमारे सीनियर कलीग है मिस्टर वाई को, उनका टर्म खत्म हो रहा है 24 तारीख को। कम से कम उनका बड़ा जो हार्ट का क्लोज विषय उन्होंने आज उठाया है 0 आवर में। बी काइंड टू हिम, अलाउ हिम टू स्पीक प्लीज। नो, डॉक्टर सैयद नासिर हुसैन, प्लीज। डिमांड फॉर नेशनल ऑडिट ऑफ एजिंग ब्रिजेज एंड रोड इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर टू प्रिवेंट रिपीटेड कोलैप्सेस। डॉक्टर सैयद नासिर हुसैन नॉट देयर। I'll take up only listed business. Sri Vaiko, Dr. John Britas ji, please. Dr. John Britas ji. please help
Deputy
your
Chairman, sir.
Yes, please. Help him, please.
I am so thankful to you for giving me this opportunity
Yes, you speak.
to raise the issue of Tamil Nadu fishermen.
Only
on the
that will
floor
go
of
on
this
record,
House.
sir. Only that will go on record. Only that will go on record.
Sir, unfortunately, instances of arrest of Tamil fishermen and attack on them by Sri Lankan Navy have increased year by year since the start of 2025. The arrests have totaled 150 fishermen with 20 boats confiscated. The situation has created significant financial hardship for fishing families who often face substantial fines to secure their relatives' release. Recently, 6 Indian fishermen, Tamil fishermen, were apprehended by Sri Lankan Navy on 13th July 25 and their motorized fishing boats seized. Sri Lankan Navy continued its acts of infringement upon the traditional rights of our own fishermen in the Falk Bay, which is a challenge to the Union of India. The frequent arrests and seizure of boats had shattered the livelihood of many fishermen. I would urge upon the Union government to take urgent steps to secure the early release of all the fishermen and their boats unconditionally. There is a pressing need for a comprehensive solution to prevent future arrests and protect the fishing community's rights. The recurring detentions have not only created immediate hardship but also threatened the long-term sustainability of fishing operations in the region. Sir, the government should put diplomatic pressure on the Sri Lankan government for giving compensation and solace to the next of kin of those who were shot dead and boats damaged by the Sri Lankan Navy in the last 10 years. They should hold a high-level talk to find a permanent solution to this non-stop harassment by the Sri Lankan Navy. The Kachati agreement should be reconsidered and that should be withdrawn by the government of India. Thank you, sir.
Please go back to your seats. Please go back to your seats. Please. The House will meet at 12 noon today.